Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install 7-zip in your PC. Okay, so this is really easy and short tutorial for you. So just watch the video till then, then you will learn how to do this. So I'm just going to open any browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can go any browser, then search on the search bar 7-zip 7-zip. That's all. So you can see this is the first website. It's called 7zip.org. So simply click on that, and here you'll get some option like there are 64-bit and 32-bit. So I'm downloading 64-bit. So it takes few time to download. It's only 1.5 megabyte. So okay, so it's downloaded. So download, and okay, I have to allow it because they need permission. And once I download, then I'm just enter and copy this one to bring my home screen. So I'm just paste it here and simply open it. Okay, just open it, and yes, and you can choose where you will upload, where you will install this. So I'm just keep it here and install. So okay, install done. It's really easy, and after that you can find this thing. You can see 7-zip file manager, so it's in your PC now. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.